Today we're going to Koh Tao, the smallest island in the Gulf of Thailand, the perfect spot for scuba diving and much more. We are going to share with you our first impressions so you know if it's worth visiting it in 2023.
So very quick change of program. We're rushing now. I mean, today is the same day that basically we finished the 2 days tour in Khao National Park, and we were supposed to go tomorrow to Koh Tao, an island in the east of the Gulf of Thailand. But basically we're running now. It's 6 p.m. We're taking a taxi to go to the pier and then go to Koh Tao with a night boat. So we went to book now for tomorrow, I mean an hour earlier, but basically they said that it was sold out until the 3rd of January, and today is the 28th of December. So we booked a night boat. It will take 8 hours and a half from the pier, and the pier is 3 hours away. So the boat is at 10 p.m. Now it's 6, we have 3 hours, then we have 1 hour at the pier, maybe less, and then we'll take this ferry or boat or whatever it is for 8 hours and a half. Let's hope that we can also sleep. Okay, so the taxi is quite big, so that's good. So we just arrived at the pier.
Now we're gonna get the night boat.
Train.
So it's from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. So yeah, exciting. Let's hope we get comfy bed.
Let's hope to find a nice, comfortable bed. I mean, I don't expect to sleep like in a hotel, but I hope we'll sleep at least a few hours. So these are the normal beds. And then I got a special one because there was like sold out, and so it was overbooked, but we didn't know that. So I got this bed on the ground. So I'm basically squeezed by other two people, but likely the one on the right and the left is basically Monica and Bruna, and the one at the top we don't know yet. Luigi and Bruna didn't want to spend the 700 baht each, so they booked one bed for two.
That's it. I mean, we're pretty small anyway.
Are you cozy there?
Yeah, I like it here. This is crap. I was imagining that. The pillow is very hard. This is like rock solid. If I'm on my side, it's really uncomfortable. However, we do have somewhere to lie down, so at least our legs are stretched, and we're all here together.
Yeah, look, we're all here together.
Welcome to a five-star cruise. Find one.
By the way, with this system, you say one night at the hotel. Yeah, we arrived there at 6 in the morning, already at the beach, so we can jump straight in the water with our bags, with our computers and everything. Oh, this bed is like sleeping on a rock. It's a proper adventure. I hope we will arrive safe and sound tomorrow. So, good night, and see you tomorrow morning at 5 or 6. I don't know where we will arrive. We didn't start yet actually, because we're late, but too exhausted. Bye. So just woke up and we just arrived after a rough night. Looks good though. We're finally out. How did you sleep, guys?
Very well.
Very well?
Very well.
And you, Monica?
It was the hardest bed I've ever slept in.
Yeah, for me it was the hardest bed ever. I mean, I think something harder than that could be this. Oh my God. Concrete, probably. And I felt all the movements from the boat, basically. There was like shaking everything. So my neck is a bit destroyed, my back is destroyed.
Yeah.
But
and it was so cold in there.
I'm a bit sick, in fact.
What's that position for?
Yoga. Yoga position. The dog is doing yoga. So this is the beach where we're staying at the moment. The water is crystal clear. This is paradise.
The beach is super beautiful. So basically when we're swimming, so we can see the green water, we can see the blue water, and then we can see all these mountains. And then we can see the trees that have coconuts, we can see all the rocks. So basically you've got a bit of everything.
It's amazing. Also, this is our beach. We're staying at this beach with our hotel. The beach is not too big, and like from here to our hotel it's 2 minutes walk, so it's perfect. So we have an announcement. We opened our own cafe.
We decided to expand the business.
Yes, and let me show you our cafe that we just opened.
It's buzzing already.
This is it.
Well, we are monkeys and we love drinking coconut, so this had to be the name.
So it's a smoothie with mango and coconut milk.
Nice, is it good?
Yeah. You want to taste it?
Wow, so tasty. It's scrambled tofu, piece of bread, vegan pesto, and
Thank you.
and a tomato.
First I'm spreading all the pesto. It's very tasty.
The pesto is so good.
Yeah.
This is made fresh.
Everything here is homemade.
Is there anyone? Okay, of course it's a bit messy already. We put all our stuff. So it's a pretty simple room. We have the bed here. How's the bed? Is it comfy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Firm.
Is it better than the one from the boat?
Yeah.
We're paying around 20 pounds a night, or around 24-25 US dollars. I found like a very good deal for this one, and the place is completely sold out. I mean, the whole island is all sold out at the moment, so we were quite lucky. We booked in advance. So let me show you upstairs.
In Koh Tao, in the 2016 census, there were 2,600 inhabitants only. I guess it is a small island, but basically they said it could vary between 2,600 and 8,000. So that probably includes all the tourists when the hotels are full.
Yeah. Oh wow, there's a nice bar here. We're entering a bar. Look. Wow.
Wow.
This cafe, bar, restaurant, whatever it is, has an amazing view. Look at this. I'm already falling in love with this island. I think it's one of the best that I've seen in Thailand. Wow.
We were just walking and looking for the beach, and look what we found by chance. This amazing spot where you can take lovely pictures. This spot is quite hidden, so you should definitely check it out. And look at this view. The sand is super soft, because at our beach the sand is not that soft. It has a little bit of stones.
Wow,
This one's really good.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sairee beach.
Wow,
So far, so
super
good.
nice.
So this beach is 1.8 kilometers long.
Look what the Christmas trees look like here in Koh Tao. And now we're gonna go through a bit that doesn't have as much sand. Look.
I mean, Monica said it doesn't have much sand. There's no sand whatsoever.
Well, there is. It's just that it's submerged in water.
Yeah, no, but we can go up from this park.
Yeah?
Wow. This looks like a swimming pool, by the way. This one, water. It's a natural swimming pool. I think probably they built this place a bit too close to the beach, so that's why there's not enough sand left. But I mean, you can stay here, drink something, lay down, and enjoy this amazing view.
Wow. Nice. Very nice.
This is the passage,
secret passage.
the secret passage, look. So it's very, very short. Okay, you go down here. Okay, but this looks really like a swimming pool now. Look at this, like you have the stairs.
Oh my god, you have stairs into the sea.
Okay, so this looks really like a swimming pool now, because earlier I thought, oh wow, this is like this sea looks like a swimming pool, but actually now they built something that reminds me of a swimming pool. Right?
Yeah, stairs to the sea.
Oh, they're professional here in Koh Tao. They build like professional swimming pools. Nice.
And also turn off the back here.
Safety first.
Oh yeah, that's mine.
Ah, now we have more sand.
Oh, this reminds me of Pangyan, the white.
super cool.
Super
The
cool.
one that had sand in it.
Yes.
Also Chaweng.
But just
Super nice place here at the beach. Look at who I found here.
sorry, we ate all the tofu.
So we are here at the restaurant
Mama Pia 1.
Mama Pia 1.
And we ordered 3 pad thais for me, Bruno and Luigi. Look, it looks really good. On the menu, actually pad thai they only have pork, chicken and shrimp, but we just said tofu, no fish sauce and no egg, and it was fine.
And oyster sauce.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no fish sauce, yeah.
Yeah, it's quite easy in Thailand to find vegan food. You can transform basically everything as long as you explain it well.
Yeah.
And 99% of the time they say yes.
It's a funny plate.
Yeah, it's nice. This restaurant is very, very local. And in the islands there are like also many fancy restaurants that offer vegan food. But we chose to come here because we wanted something more authentic. And also this one was like highly rated on Google and has like very good reviews. I don't know, let's see what Monica thinks about it. What do you think?
I like it. It's a little bit sweet
Too sweet?
and it's a little bit spicy.
Yeah?
So I think maybe she just omitted the fish sauce and didn't put anything to replace it.
Okay.
So maybe a bit of soy sauce would have been good.
Okay.
Some sauce.
No, they have soy sauce there.
And it is.
Yes, it's J, you see? By the way, this is the symbol for vegan, called J. So my massaman curry will arrive pretty soon, I guess. Because it's so good. It's really, really good. And there was a lot of tofu. Like so much. This is the biggest that I've seen. For only 80 baht. So 2 pounds or $2.40. Very cheap, very local. Very good food. Approved?
Mango sticky rice also.
Ah, also yeah, the mango sticky rice. Yeah, all the same. Like we didn't show because too good, too hungry, too everything. This presentation of mango sticky rice is very different than usual. So the mango is on top of the rice. Does it change much?
Yeah.
So let me show you inside of this local restaurant what they wrote on the walls, like all the people that came here.
Comida tailandesa do melhor que há.
Amazing vibe, beautiful ladies. I don't know, from Belgium. We love Mama, the best pad thai in all Thailand. Wow, these are like old style reviews.
Yeah, look, all of the pictures as well. Nice.
Yeah, I would say you should come here if you visit the Koh Tao.
Yeah,
Very
good
local,
prices.
good prices, and good food. Wow, look at this sunset in Koh Tao. So beautiful.